Ever feel like you're missing out on something? Like there's a hidden layer to the benefits and opportunities you deserve, something that's just out of reach? Maybe you've heard whispers, seen mentions online, or even had a friend casually mention it, the Patriot card. But what is it? Is it a secret society handshake? A government-issued privilege? Or just another marketing gimmick? That's exactly what we're going to unravel today. Because in a world saturated with loyalty programs, discounts, and supposed insider access, it's easy to get lost in the noise. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the point. Before we dissect the card itself, let's talk about the context. The term Patriot is loaded, right? It evokes feelings of national pride, a sense of belonging, and a commitment to certain values. It's a powerful word, and it's no accident that it's used in the name of this card. This isn't just about discounts, it's about appealing to a specific identity, a sense of shared purpose. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Patriot card isn't a singular, universally recognized entity. It's not like your driver's license or your social security card. Instead, it's a term that's been used by various organizations, companies, and even political groups to describe their own unique programs. This is where the confusion comes in. To understand it better, we need to break it down. Think of it as a broad category, like loyalty cards. You have your grocery store loyalty cards, your airline miles cards, and your credit card rewards programs. They all fall under the umbrella of loyalty cards, but they function differently and offer different benefits. The Patriot card is similar in that respect. One common usage of the term is within the realm of membership organizations, often those with a focus on conservative or patriotic values. These organizations might offer a Patriot card as a perk of membership, providing access to exclusive events, discounts on merchandise, or even political advocacy resources. For example, some political action committees or advocacy groups might offer a Patriot card to their donors. This card could grant access to special briefings, behind-the-scenes updates, or invitations to exclusive gatherings with influential figures. It's a way to incentivize donations and build a sense of community among supporters. Another area where the Patriot card appears is in the world of retail and services. Some businesses, particularly those catering to a specific demographic, might offer a Patriot card as a loyalty program. This could include discounts on products or services, special promotions, or even access to exclusive content. For instance, a firearms or outdoor equipment retailer might offer a Patriot card to its customers, providing discounts on ammunition, gear, or training courses. It's a way to build customer loyalty and tap into a shared interest in outdoor activities and self-reliance. Furthermore, you might encounter the Patriot card in the context of travel and tourism. Some travel agencies or tour operators might offer a Patriot card to veterans, active duty military personnel, or first responders, providing discounts on travel packages, accommodations, or attractions. It's a way to show appreciation for their service and offer them affordable travel options. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, potential scams. Because the term Patriot card isn't standardized, it's easy for unscrupulous individuals or organizations to use it to deceive people. They might offer a Patriot card that promises incredible benefits but delivers nothing, or they might use it to collect personal information for fraudulent purposes. This is where due diligence is crucial. If you're considering signing up for a Patriot card, make sure to research the organization or company offering it. Look for reviews, check their credentials, and be wary of any offers that seem too good to be true. It's also important to understand the terms and conditions of the card. What are the benefits? What are the limitations? Are there any fees or hidden costs? Don't just blindly sign up, do your homework. Another important point to consider is the potential for political bias. Because the term Patriot is often associated with specific political ideologies, some Patriot cards might be used to promote or support certain political agendas. It's important to be aware of this and decide whether you're comfortable with the potential political implications. In summary, the Patriot card is a broad term that encompasses various loyalty programs, membership perks, and discount offers. It's not a singular, government-issued card, but rather a concept that's been adopted by different organizations and businesses. It's crucial to understand the context in which the term is used and to research any Patriot card offer carefully before signing up. Be aware of potential scams, understand the terms and conditions, and consider the potential political implications. So, the next time you hear someone mention the Patriot card, you'll know that it's not a one-size-fits-all concept. You'll know to ask questions, do your research, and make an informed decision. Ultimately, whether a Patriot card is worth it depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you align with the values of the organization offering the card, and if the benefits are relevant to you, then it might be a valuable asset. However, if you're just looking for discounts or perks, there might be other loyalty programs that are more suitable. The key takeaway is to be informed and discerning. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because of the patriotic label. Understand what you're getting into and make sure it aligns with your values and needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.